Okay, guys. Been asked a lot of questions. What is the cloud? People want to know what is the cloud. Does a cloud mean it's something that's actually in the cloud? Is it something imaginative in our brain? What is the cloud? Is this some hidden place that we do not know? No. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what the cloud is. The cloud is actually a collection of network devices that runs on the internet. Does the networking. A collection of network devices such as switch, routers, firewall, security. So I'm going to give you an example of what it looks like. Okay, so let's minimize this. Basically, that's what the cloud is. If you're in IT right now, your IT company, you may have firewall, switches, routers, and servers um, that runs your network, which is all IT company needs, and to connect to the internet. So basically, think of that in a much larger scale. Think of just firewalls, switches, routers, servers, a bunch of servers all in one big warehouse. Or so what they call now data centers. Yep, that is the cloud. I did say the data center is a cloud. The cloud is not something new, believe it or not. The cloud has always been around, has always been existed before. Back then, they were just called data centers. I don't know if you used to watch the sci-fi shows and they show these guys playing with these big machines, computing machines. Those were actually data centers. And now that technology has advanced, those huge database and servers, has become a lot more smaller and managed to work on faster processing speed and so forth. So basically, that's what the cloud is. The cloud is just a collection of network devices that with security protocols and so forth, but it consists of a switches, routers, a bunch of servers that holds the information and store the information, firewalls and other security devices, maybe an IPS or IDS, which are intrusion prevention systems, intrusion detection systems, any type of security that's out there. And basically it's designed basically for people like you and I, or companies that really don't have the space to store information or don't want to deal with creating applications or storing applications, and so they'd rather go through the cloud, which is AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure. Basically, those you can go on there and build the applications, get whatever services you need, data, and it provides a lot of additional space for storage. And that's basically what the cloud is. It's basically you're putting your information or accessing information from another source rather than your own local area network. So basically, you can put all your file servers, all your personal information. These companies provide services for you that you may not have to go and purchase them, whether it's email, whether it is storage, whether what is applications that you need created, access to app, which gives you access to it, and they're providing that service for you. And that's what the cloud is basically. So basically, it's this. It's picture a warehouse with a bunch of network servers, a bunch of different type of servers with a lot of storage on each server, because your standard server in a network probably has maybe 500 gigabits of memory, where these things have terabytes of memory. And you're talking about 14, 15, 16 terabytes of memory, 18, 24 terabytes, 128 terabytes of memory, 248 terabytes. Lots of memory, lots of storage space. And that's why they do that. They build that, so it's making it easier for companies to go to the cloud and get these services and provide all these services, and they create other services for you as VPN, virtual machines, and so forth. So this is what the cloud is. The cloud is a data center with a bunch of servers, a bunch of switches, a bunch of firewalls, a bunch of routers, a bunch of other security devices that protects your data and so forth. And that's what it is. Think of a building that has all this information in it, that has all this equipment in there, and you're just remoting into it to get access to the resources that you've acquired from them that you want. And that's all it is, rather than you having it at your own location. Okay? And so hope you enjoyed it.